Hi, in this video we are going to see the recruitment notification from the 5 different central government institutes or colleges, guys. So really it is a very good opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the permanent job vacancies in the government colleges. So utilize this opportunity. And coming to the eligibility wise here, only post graduation, undergraduation or else the post graduation with relevant experience is required, and the UGC net or the PhD is not at all required, guys. Okay, it is no need also. And coming to the total here, the 16 different number of designations are there from these 5 different colleges. So out of these 16 designations, the salaries range is 20,000 rupees per month to 1,80,000 rupees per month. Okay. So please watch the video until the end to get the complete details regarding this notifications, guys. It will be very much helpful to you. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Center of Excellence of Khadi, COEK, a National Institute of Fashion Technology Head Office project in collaboration with KVAC, Ministry of Micro, Small, Medium Entrepreneurship. Okay, so by looking at this one, don't think that here the vacancies are there only for the fashion technology degree or the postgraduate candidates. Here the for remaining subjects also the vacancies are there. So that's why I'm telling that. Please watch this video until the end, guys, to get the complete recruitment notification. Here the total 16 different types of designations are there. So out of the 16, regarding the apart from the textile or else the fashion technology, for remaining subjects also the vacancies are there. Okay, I will show you. And here from the total these campuses, that is first one is NIFT New Delhi and NIFT Gandhinagar and Kolkata, Shillong as well as the Bangalore. So from these 5 locations, the different vacancies are announced, guys. And here I'm starting from the last one. That means, as I told you, the total we are having the 16 different types of designations are there. So here we are starting with the 16th one. So MTS, total 6 number of vacancies are there. So here how many vacancies are there as per the locations wise also they split it up the vacancies, that is 2 at New Delhi and 1 at each spoke center Bengaluru and Gandhinagar, Kolkata and Shillong. So to be recruited through placement agency, and minimum qualification required is 10 plus 2, and the salary we are going to get is 20,000 rupees per month. Okay, and coming to the next one, that is associate designer. So for this associate designer, total 4 vacancies are there. The candidate should be experienced fashion or textile designer who understands the business of fashion and has knowledge of khadi and handloom textiles and apparel. At least 4 to 6 years of relevant experience with a reputed retailer or the exporter or the designer craft sector post-professional qualification, and candidates who have worked with handlooms, weavers in clusters or with related organizations would be preferred. And here the qualification is undergraduate or postgraduate in fashion, textile, design or related disciplines from a reputed Indian or international institute. And so what is the job description and what is the experiences required and what is the amount of salary we are going to get? 60,000 rupees per month. And next one is assistant manager MIS, and for this assistant manager at least 3 to 5 years of experience at a reputed organization or institution is mentioned, and the candidate should have experience in the management information system, and the qualification required is undergraduate or postgraduate in statistics, computer science, economics, mathematics from a reputed institute or university. So if you belongs to any one of these departments with undergraduation or else the post-graduation with this experience having, then you can apply this. Okay, what are the skills required and what is the job description also mentioned here, and the salary we are going to get 45,000 rupees per month. Okay, and these are all the permanent posts, guys, so you may utilize this one. And while coming to the assistant manager administrator, the candidate should have 3 to 5 years of experience, undergraduate or postgraduate in commerce, economics or related disciplines from a reputed university or the institute, and whatever the skills required, just MS Office or related software they mentioned. and the 45,000 rupees per month you will get. Fine. And coming to the next one, manager administration, 6 to 7 years of experience and at a reputed institute or organization something, and PG in commerce economics or else the MBA from the reputed institute or the university. And the skills required are mentioned and the job description. Here the salary is 60,000 rupees per month, guys. So it will be the wonderful opportunity. And next one, manager accounts. The candidate should have experience in finance and accounts and at least 6 to 7 years of experience. And the qualification required is PG, postgraduate in commerce or MBA in finance from a reputed institute or university or qualified chartered accounts or the cost accountant. Skills required, job description are given and the amount you are going to get 60,000 rupees per month. Okay. And coming to the manager or marketing, okay, the candidate should have some experience and 4 to 6 years of experience must be there. So the qualification required is PG in marketing, social development or related disciplines from a reputed Indian or international institute or university. And the skills required, job description, the monthly salary 60,000 rupees per month. And coming to the next one is communication designer, undergraduate or postgraduate in fashion, communication or communication design or related disciplines with at least 4 to 6 years of experience. Skills required as well as a job description and the monthly salary is 60,000 rupees per month. And next one is merchandiser, undergraduate or postgraduate in fashion technology, skills required, job description and 60,000 rupees per month. Next one, associate designer textile. So for this one also, undergraduate or post graduation required in the textile design or else a related one with 4 to 6 years of experience, and the salary we are going to get 50 to 60,000 rupees per month. Next one is associate designer. So this one also fashion technology graduation is required. And next one is center heads. So center heads, undergraduate or postgraduate in fashion or textile design and at least 12 to 15 years of experience is required, and the salary is going to get 1.6 to 1.8 lakhs. Okay. Next one is head finance, accounts and administration. So for this one, at least 20 years of experience must be there, and MBA in finance from a reputed institute or university. Skills required, job description, 1.6 to 1.8 lakhs you will get, guys. That means MBA with 20 years of experience. And head marketing and branding. So this one postgraduate in fashion marketing, okay, with 12 to 15 years of experience, and you will get 1.6 to 1.8 lakhs per month. Okay, and the next one is head textiles. So 12 to 15 years of experience, undergraduate or postgraduate in textile design, and monthly salary 1.6 to 1.8 lakhs per month. Fine. And similarly head apparel. Okay, so total these are the 16 different designations, guys. So I hope all of you understand that here not only to the textile and fashion technology, for accounts, commerce, mathematics, MBA, okay, for all these candidates here the opportunities are there. But the thing is, just check out whether the relevant experience is there or not. Okay, so here you are going to get wonderful payment also, guys. And few more instructions are given here. The selection will be purely based upon the interview, guys. There is no written test and all here. The applicant should ensure that they fulfill the eligibility in terms of qualification and experience for the post they apply for. And eligible candidates have to fill up this form. So that here the link is also given, and I will provide this link in the description box of this video, guys. So you carefully check down. So no accommodation or travel fare will be reimbursed for attending the physical interview. Selection will be based upon the relevant experience, interview and suitability of the application for the project. Okay, and applicants may email their detailed CV along with the application form and self-attested scan copies of the requested documents to recruitment.khadi@nift.ac.in. So there is no application fee also. Okay, so it will be the wonderful opportunity, guys. So utilize this one. Don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month, and if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also. which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGS NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGS NET JRF. Fine.